1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
You will not believe what happened to me last night at the Italian restaurant. I was just about to take a bite when I spotted something weird in my pasta.
Wait, you found something strange in your food? Now you've got me curious. What was it?
At first, I thought it was maybe a piece of decoration or some fancy ingredient. But then I realized it was actually a small toy car. I was so confused.
A toy car in your pasta? That's honestly kind of funny, but I can imagine it must have felt awkward too. What did you do next?
I didn't want to make a big scene, so I called the waiter over and said, "Excuse me, there's something in my food." I was polite, but pretty surprised.
I get it sometimes. It's hard to know what to say in those moments. Did the waiter notice right away what it was?
He looked really puzzled at first. I showed him the toy and said, "I don't think this belongs here." He agreed and apologized right away.
Good on him for not making things worse. Did he offer to fix it somehow?
"Yes," he said, "I'm sorry about that. Let me replace your meal." He took the plate back to the kitchen and made sure I got a fresh one.
Honestly, I'd feel pretty awkward in your shoes. Did you think about asking to speak to the manager?
It crossed my mind for a second, but since the staff handled it so well, I decided not to. They were really quick to fix the mistake.
That's a relief. I think if the waiter had acted rude or ignored it, I'd probably ask, "I'd like to speak to the manager."
Exactly. Because it was so odd, I wanted them to know, but I didn't want to get anyone in trouble. They really made me feel better about the whole thing.
It's nice when a place takes responsibility. Did they offer you anything else besides a new meal?
After I got my new pasta, the manager actually came over and asked, "Would you like something else? Maybe dessert on the house?"
That's actually a great way to show they care. Did you take them up on the dessert?
I did. The tiramisu was delicious. It definitely helped me feel less weird about the whole thing.
Funny how a strange situation can turn into a positive one. Did you laugh about it later?
Oh, absolutely. Once I got over the surprise, I told my friends and we had a good laugh. It's a story I'll remember for years.
It also helps to know what to say if something like that happens, like, "Could you take this back, please?" And being calm about it.
Definitely. Staying friendly made everything smoother. And now I always double check my food just in case.
So, to wrap up, first, it's okay to speak up politely when something's wrong. Second, a good restaurant will fix mistakes fast. And third, sometimes a weird surprise can give you a fun story.
You nailed it. If you ever need to, just remember to say, "Excuse me, there's something in my food." And don't be afraid to ask for help. Next time you're out, keep those phrases ready.
Thanks for sharing your story. It's definitely made me think twice about my next meal.
Glad you enjoyed it. See you at dinner soon, and let's hope there are no toy cars in our food next time.